Welcome back to Lexus of Royal Oak. We are located at 7677 112th Avenue, Northwest Calgary, Alberta, in the Northwest Auto Mall. Here we have one of our Lexus Certified Pre-Owned units. It is a 2015 RX 350 F Sport Series 2 in the ultra white finish. All vehicles purchased at Lexus of Royal Oak come with an automatic enrollment into our Royal VIP Rewards program. This vehicle is a local Calgary car with a clean accident-free Carproof. Some of the features include the HID projector headlamps with the LED daytime running lights, LED fog lights, headlamp washers, F-Sport front grille, front and rear park assist sensors, keyless entry with the push-to-start ignition, headlamp washer switch, power liftgate, fuel door release, blind spot monitor, driver's seat memory seating, power folding side mirrors, power adjustable front seating, power tilt and telescopic steering wheel, hands-free controls, a 7-inch multimedia display with navigation and the integrated backup camera, a 15-speaker Mark Levinson premium surround sound audio system, head-up display controls with the head-up display, traction control, center locking differential, heated and ventilated front seats, sunroof, black interior, in great condition. And of course comes with a built-in legendary Lexus quality, reliability, and lowest luxury cost of ownership. To find out more on this vehicle, visit us at lexusofroyaloak.com or give us a call to schedule a test drive today at 403-296-9600.